Hi guys, welcome to Miami. This is gonna be my first Miami vlog. As you can see, we are at Hermes. It's funny, they have the same horse that they have in Paris up top. So I'm gonna take you inside Hermes and then I'm gonna take you to Cartier. I'm gonna show you as much as I can in both of those stores. Please subscribe to the channel, it helps me out so much. Of course, you can follow me on Instagram or on TikTok. And now let's head inside so I can show you all the goodies. Look at the Panthere collection. Nobody's focusing. It's got this gorgeous watch. Really hard to show in the display cases, but I'm going to try my best. Love the Panthere bangle. Solid gold. And also the ring. Look how dainty this little Panthere bangle is beside the slim Cartier bracelet. This has the diamonds every other, and so beautiful. Over here they've got a lot of the Juste and Clou. Again, this is the slim one. It's got the pave diamonds just on the nail head. And then look, they've got the really chunky ones. They have it in white gold. The ring is always, I feel, so beautiful. Something with the ring I really like. And they also have the little dainty one, which I think dainty jewelry is the most beautiful. They've got these more statement thick ones, necklaces, so sparkly. Classic one, this is the classic ring. Sorry about the camera work. And then this collection here, I'm not too familiar with it. I've seen it on some people that I've interviewed for Street Style, but I don't know the name of it, so let me know if you know the name of this one. And then here we've got some from the Panthere collection. Love this one here. Look at that. Amazing. This ring over here, super statement, but fun. This one's half encrusted in diamonds. This one here's got some emeralds. Not sure if you can see that. Okay, so this one here is called the Clash Cartier. I love the one with the diamonds. They also have the ring. Beautiful. And I think this is rose gold. It's hard to kind of know between the rose gold and the white gold. Sorry, the yellow gold. And here is the white gold one. So pretty. We have more of the Panthere.
My new list.
I'm kind of shocked that they're letting me film here, but I'm gonna just go in with it. I know I've already showed this to you, but again, this is my favorite watch. I love the vintage ones, and you can get really good price points on like resale websites for this watch. In the small little dainty size, I think it looks so good. This size is beautiful as well, of course. And again, I know I showed it to you, but might as well show you guys again. There we go. So pretty. And then there's some of this beautiful Cartier, this choker, beautiful matching bracelet, emerald drop earrings. These are beautiful as well. Look at these little Cartier. These are from the Trinity collection. The choker is beautiful. It's got all three metals. I don't know what this is, if it's a brooch or what, but it's beautiful. Again, there's more from the Panthere collection. The ring. Look at the emeralds. Again, I'm really sorry about the camera work. The emeralds. So pretty. These are so pretty. These gorgeous rings. Love those so much. And then check out this one. I'll show you some of the Cartier pearls. This has the 3 colors on it. And then look at this incredible statement piece. This is amazing. It also has the bracelets, the ring. So beautiful. And look at this watch. The watch is amazing. Super statement bracelet over here.
Sorry, you can't be recording.
Okay, no problem.
And I like that bracelet
I'll show you
over
some
there.
of the window display. Let me show you the other window.
That's beautiful too.
And then here we've got the Juste Clou. This is the skinny version, encrusted in diamonds.
That's a traditional
Look at
one.
the earrings. I've never seen those earrings before. Love the ring. We've got a cute little necklace over here. Hey guys, we are inside Hermes right now. Check out all of the amazing colors they have here. So this is an Epsom. Such a pretty lilac color. It's called Violet Amethyst. $660 US. And then this amazing yellow. This is in, I believe, Swift. Let's see if it says. Joan Topaz. And it doesn't say, it just says calfskin. So, really pretty. Love the bright colors. Some orange. Let's see what this one is. Rouge Japour. Oh, that's an older color. Really pretty. And they have the classic black and brown. Oh, they have so many of them. You can see these. So I love these ones over here. This is the Oslo fur. Rose gold. $12.50. They're usually always in palladium. They have them in rose gold, and they also have some in permabrass, which is like a light champagne gold. But none of them so far have come in just regular gold. This is that same new purple color, but with the crystals. So pretty. Look at this very light denim one. This is the Santorini, so just like the Oran, but with a little strap. And Bleu Claire, really pretty denim one. I feel like the Santorini, well, the Oran are pretty comfortable, I think. That's how I feel they are. But this one over here apparently is even more comfy. And they're $810, so what is that? Like 100 and something more. Almost 200 more. I've got these two little fabric ones. $7.70. Funny how the fabric one is more than the leather one. This is in the color Framboise, which is raspberry. Not a fan of this peachy color, but it's called Orange Joy. And then we've got this dark denim one, which I don't like the dark denim. These two are super cute. They have so many amazing colors here. Rose, cannot say that. Vinay, don't know. Classical white. And then this really pretty suede. This is in goat skin, $8.40, the Santorini, and same with this one, orange synthetic. It's like a neon orange. They've got some Orans over here. Let's see what this is. I think it's the same orange. Yes. This is kind of like a two-tone. I think this is the what's it called? The taupe color with the baby pink. You see this light denim. It's actually really pretty. I like this. Just the dark denim, I don't think is that nice. But this is great. $7.50. So they're $90 more than the Oasis versus the Oran ones, which are usually $6.60. These are pretty. It's like a really pretty rose gold over here. I just want to show you real quick this little CDC in the pink with the croc. It's beautiful. beautiful. And then I think this is the same one here. And then they've got the big versions, the Pop H, lots of the slimmer versions, some of these bangles. I always love the Kelly double tour bracelet, and I like this little dainty one. This over here is that new green color. It's not that new, but it came out end of last year, and I think it's called Vert Dough. I might be wrong. It's a very pale green though. Super pretty. There's these little earrings here. And then I'm gonna go over some of these luggage bracelets just so you can get some of the eye candy. I love these skinny Collier de Chien ones. Gold with black Epsom, so it's gonna be super hard wearing. And then they've got these beautiful Hermes bracelets. Again, the double tours. These are both in rose gold, I think. One's in a tube, one's in gold. And then some of these, this super bright pink, and then really nice purple. So pretty. They've got some belts here. I love these little dainty ones. This with the horsefoot detail, and this I've never seen before. Look at this. This little logo. That's really cool. Let's see. It is $360 US for this one. It's in the tube color. I also have these little flip-flops. These are rubber. $2.95. They're like a nice little beach flip-flop. This blue is so pretty. It is called Bleu Outre-mer. Same price. They have black. And these have a bit of a platform. This has leather just on the bottom, or is this full bottom? This one. No, this is suede. But I think this top part is, no, it's leather. So, and this I'm noticing, so okay, I know this is plastic, but I think this might be leather too. Or no, it's all plastic. Yeah. Got these little messages here. This yellow is green. This is, I think this is the price. Oh yeah, no, it doesn't have the price. This one over here, there's the detail, $790. Look at this amazing saddle. Guys, so this isn't the price of the saddle, this is just the pad. This is so pretty. The shirling, just so you can see some of the scarves. This is so much fun. Their prints are always really nice. It's very tropical. Perfect for Miami. I'll show you this really cool Hermes chest holder.
Do we find some
They
glasses?
have so much amazing Hermes stuff.
Yeah, I alerted someone actually.
Today?
Sunglasses.
Yeah.
Yes. I didn't realize they were my girlfriends. I was in there.
Let me check that.
These are cute.
What are they? Ray-Ban? Ray-Ban. Ray-Ban. Round ones.
Little different sizes. And then their furniture.
Sales associate.
Amazing. these little trees. This one's so pretty with the horses. And then they have so many blankets. Lots of locations are always sold out of these blankets, but Miami, obviously it's very hot here, so they have a lot of blankets because, well, people are buying them, but not as much as, let's say, New York or a city like that. We've got another one of these. And they've got a lot of homeware stuff. These very classic Hermes. Cute little, you can use these for anything. You can put your jewelry in there. Okay guys, I really hope you enjoyed that shopping vlog. I can't wait to share with you all of the amazing street style, and I will see you guys in the next Miami video.